Proverbs 2:6, For the Lord gives wisdom. From his mouth come knowledge and understanding. James 1:5, If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. Proverbs 3:13, Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding. Proverbs 16:16, How much better to get wisdom than gold, to get insight rather than silver. Colossians 3:16, Let the message of Christ dwell among you richly as you teach and admonish one another, with all wisdom through psalms, hymns, and songs from the Spirit, singing to God with gratitude in your hearts. Turn to the wellspring of true wisdom, ask the Lord, the ultimate source, for in his guidance, knowledge, and understanding abound. Trust in the divine wisdom that surpasses all, seeking counsel from the one who holds the key to profound insights and discernment.